Okay, what day is this? Day 4 or 5 of the engine rebuild. So ordered a new fuel pump, mechanical fuel pump for the engine, and it was on back order. It just came in. I think I picked it up yesterday or the day before. We're gonna put that on tonight, and basically it goes on with 2 bolts. It is actuated off the camshaft, maybe? Either the crank or the camshaft, I'm not sure. Again, I'm not a mechanic. Anyways, tighten up the 2 bolts, has a gasket on it, keep it from leaking oil around it. Initially, just to fire it off, the fuel pump won't be required, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it on so it's ready to plumb once we get it back in the car. So, anyways, that's what we're doing. Okay, that is a tight spot for a bolt right there, that back bolt. It's going, but it's not, it doesn't want to. Anyways, snug it up. Tighten it up, snug it up. Had the wrong size socket. I have the right one. And we torque it to Mike's Magic Torque amount, whatever that is. Turn it till you can't turn it no more. There you go, that won't leak. All right, got it. Nice and pretty, look at that. What do you think?
It's good.
All right, now still on. This is the transmission that came with the engine. I have no confidence in it whatsoever. I have another 727 transmission under the stairs. And this is where it pays to keep everything. Thought about selling it on eBay. Like, well, I may need that sometime. 727 came out of a Chrysler 300, 1968, big block car. And if I can get it pulled out of here. Everything that we need. Okay. Here we go, guys. This is the transmission I had hidden under the steps. 727 came out of a Chrysler 300, big block. Check it out. Got all the linkage that we need. Flex plate, pretty good shape, nasty. I don't feel like cleaning it up tonight. It's got a converter, what do you call it? Stall converter? Anyways, what I do know about this transmission is it was taken out of the Chrysler 300. The Chrysler 300 drove under its own power to a shop to have a crate engine and a crate transmission put in it. So anyways, it's we're gonna put it in. We're gonna put new seals on it, clean it up, make it look nice, and bolt it to this 440 right here. So that's gonna be the next little project on this engine before we crank it. Once we get the transmission hooked up, put the starter on it, we'll throw a battery on it, put some gas in the carburetor, and I expect it to fire right up. And if it doesn't, I will be surprised, a little bit disappointed. Until next time. Dapper Dan, what you doing, boy? Hey, look at me. You want to ride in a Dodge RT? Dapper Dan, look. Come here. Come here.